Okay, um, in this video, I am going to introduce uh, a couple of more commands that can come handy. One of them is the awk example. You probably already see that in my previous example using the awk and the ps command. Right now, I'm going to create a file txt. How do I do that? I'm gonna do psaux. Let me just check temp. Mm, okay, that's everything, right? That's everything. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna direct that to a file.txt. Oh no. I'm gonna call it processes txt, and you can see that I'm gonna use a less command, and you can see that's the process. Very good, right? And reverse the content of the file. Uh, oh no. We're looking at the awk, right? So we are going to print the first and third column of that file. So let's do that. I do that, and then I'm gonna follow that to the process txt. After that, you can see this is picking up the first and third column. As I said, this is taking the input of a file, right? If you do not want to do that, you want to use a pipe, and the input can really coming from AWX, just like that. Before we actually redirect to a file, we do not want to occupy our space or getting any intermediate file. We can actually get the output from the standard output as the input of the AWK, the awk command. So awk is actually a utility to provide scripting. You will see more examples of awk. This awk can be a separate videos for courses. I think at least I can talk about 5 to 10 videos just about awk. So this is just going to give you a very quick overview of what that is. Uh, and you can also count sum the value of a column if you have it. Not sure this is gonna work, but we can try that later. But this video is going to give you a very a simple idea of what you can do with it. Um, so next, let's go to all examples. I'm just going to do that, and then you're going to see um, all this stuff. Mm, we don't necessarily need a very complex or comprehensive understanding of this, but we just want to make sure that we know some basic in this introductory classes, right? Okay. So all right, I'm gonna take ChatGPT as an example to show you how today our learning possibilities or our learning um, tools can help us to expedite our learning. For example, if you echo back something to the standard output, like there's a slash Alice 30 second line, Bob 25, we're going to print the first thing, and you're going to see just the name, right? So that's our expectation. So let's take a look at that, and then you see Alice. Uh, okay, let's take a look at this. Echo, yeah. Mm, it's actually not working. Um, mm. But anyhow, it should be this. Something wrong with the. with a slash m. Um, but it's okay. This is my expectation. Let's also check this one. We already did it. Dash f a custom delimiters. You can do dash f a dot. So let me see if I have a CSV files and somewhere find dots dash uh, uh, so CSV. Yeah, I do have a lot of CSVs. Let's just clear that. I'm gonna copy that to here. Now we see a CSV file called watchlist rule 40. We can copy this command. Uh, we can copy this command and then set a delimiter to a dot, because let's watch this watch list. This is the CLV, right? This is a CLV. Unfortunately, there's not much information in there, but we can still see that. Let's see. Let me see if there is any better examples for this. Let's check. Um, watch list. Probably this is the best. Let's just try this. So we are going to cat this watch list, and then we pipe it to AWK. But I can modify this a little bit. Let's see, watch list. I can say like 200, 300, 400, 500, something like that, right? So let's just give a little bit example, and then let's do a cat, and let's do pipe, and then do awk dash f comma comma, give a comma in there, um and comma, that's print $1 $3. You do how about $2. If you do $3, you're gonna see everything like this column as well. All right. But if you just say you just see $2 and 3, you're gonna see that. So mm, so that's the example of using a delimiter, and you can also use some very advanced. You can apply arithmetic on it, comparisons, right? You can do that. We will have a separate awk videos for advanced scripting. So we will stop here for the introduction. Thank you for watching.